Here we have our high-tech fibre laser, which cuts all of our door leaf and strengthening parts. It's accurate to 0.01 millimeters across a full-size sheet. All the parts that are cut on this machine are also configured to work on our punch press to ensure that your delivery is on time every time. This machine differs to the punch press in the fact that we can cut any shape we want. Being able to cut any size, line or shape, the laser is the perfect weapon in our arsenal to work alongside our punch press. It enables us to have the ability to be flexible and to design new products to meet your needs. It's also capable of cutting up to 20 millimeter thick mild steel. Can you imagine how heavy a door would be if the leaf skins were 20 mil thick? I look forward to seeing that inquiry. Our new Armadaensis is a brilliant addition to what we already had in our LCG Armada laser. It has a lower kilowatt, meaning it's more efficient, but with new technology and faster pierce times, it's actually quicker. This will mean we can bring more products in-house and reduce our lead time even further.